Guys, good afternoon. We are here right now at the Hooker Chan and tatry natin yung masarap nilang pagkain. Bibigyan natin ng ratings, no? Kung okay ba yung lasa ng mga pagkain na siniserve dito sa Hooker Chan. Yan. So we'll check later and then give you the update. So our first meal of the day is roast duck noodle soup. And ito, yung anak ko yung magta-try kung anong lasa niya. So later we'll check again, we'll give you the update. So this is a Chinese broccoli. Next is laksa, no?